Hello friends, this is Kitchen of Chondrima and I'm Chondrima. Before we have made rose red rice, and today along with that we are going to make a chicken curry. Very tasty Indian style chicken curry. For that we need 2 kilograms of chicken like this pieces. Yes, and it will be for around 8 to 10 people. We will start with the marination. First, we will give a little bit of salt, around 2 tablespoons. Then, around 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. With this, a little, just sprinkle it all over, and around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil will bring the taste, and some cinnamon and some jeera. Just marinate with your hand very gently, very nicely, so that the marination goes into the chicken really well. Marination is the basic part of any cooking. The well you marinate your chicken, the well it will taste. After the marination, we will have to keep it around 30 minutes. If you don't have time, don't think about it. You just can cook immediately also. Now our marination is so simple and it's almost done. Just take 6 normal size onions, peel them wisely, then cut it like this, small pieces, very small pieces. For curries we need small pieces, and from both the sides we will cut this like this. Yes, you can see the pieces, it's very small. Yeah, then take another one and cut it also into small and a very small cube size pieces, so that the curry will taste very thick, richy and very tasty. Yes, like this. So after this we will take a pan, preheat it, then give around 4 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee will bring all the taste of India. So we are making the Indian curry. We have to put the ghee, and along with that, for the extra punch of flavor, we will add some mustard oil to it. Around 2 tablespoons will be okay. After that, we will give some garam masalas, like 5 garam masalas, cinnamon, longs, some elaichi. With that we will put the onions in a medium heat, so that the onion doesn't get burned. It should cook slowly, and we have to stir it like this, friends. Yes, just bring the big pieces. Yes, just cut it down like this. And after this, just stir it well, and keep stirring it well unless it's become golden brown like this, and also the quantity will shrunk a little bit. Itself, the onion have a very sweet and a very caramelly taste into it. Just cover them up. Meanwhile, take some corianders. This is the lockdown period, so I really don't have so much fresh. So I just take the corianders I have, cut it into pieces, and in a bowl, you just get it into the water. Stir it well so that all the dirt comes out from it. That is it. keep stirring your onions. Let's check it out. Yes, it's almost done, friends. It's really nice in color. Take a tomato. I think I'll give it 2. Cut it into very small pieces like this. You can see how I am doing. Yes, just cut it into pieces like this. Just around 2 kilos of chicken. I'll take 2 big tomatoes. That will be enough. Otherwise the curry will be, very tangy. We don't want it to be very tangy. Put it into the onion directly. Flame is still now low. It's around, in an induction oven, it's 500 to 700, whatever your convenience is. Then put the ginger garlic paste around. It will be around 4 tablespoons because the chicken quantity is huge. It will be around 4 tablespoons. Stir it well, really well, so that it doesn't stick to the surface. Add a little bit of mustard oil into it. Around 4 tablespoons will be okay. Just to make the curry, really luscious. It will give a very, very, taste enhancing. It will give the punch. And for the color of the curry, for the Indian curry, you just have to put around a tablespoon of turmeric. Stir it really well. Add some water so that it doesn't get burned, and the curry, started cooking. Yes, like this. We have to stir it. Yes, stir it like this from the sides. I have taken, the curry is almost done now. So I'll have taken the chicken pieces and put into the curry and flame it a little bit of higher, around 1100. Yes, just put the chicken into it and mix it really well so that the curry juices really sucks into the chicken. Yeah. And the chicken gets really good flavor of the curry. And stir it really well. Mix all the ingredients together. If you have induction, you can do it on gas. If you don't have aluminum utensils, you also can use non-sticks or whatever your convenience is, whatever you have. But in aluminum, your taste gets really better. Just mix them really well. Yes, you can see the chicken is coated totally. Now where I have marinated, I just put some warm water and take the whole marination and put it into my pan and mix them really well. In this process, your chicken gets the flavor of the curry really well. It started, add some water. If you can add warm water, that will be okay. If you cannot, that is also okay. Add water and keep it covered. Then add some red chili powders, that is Kashmiri mirch. Red chili powders are really available. These are red in color, just to give your curry a very boosty color of the Indian flavor. So just mix it really well like this, friends. Yes, and let it cook around 30 minutes. Now let me check. The chicken is done. Yes, it is done right now. It's almost done, and very nice aroma is coming from the chicken. When you will make the recipe, you will have the same. After this, we will take the corianders and put it into our curry and mix it well and let it shimmer for a while, around 2 to 5 minutes more. After this, we will give garam masala powder. You can have any garam masala powder available in the market. And after putting the garam masala, give a 2 tablespoons of ghee. It will bring this taste immediately, and the aroma is coming from the chicken, just mouth-watering. Let's mix them totally well. It's almost done. Almost done. Now this is an Indian style curry, so we have to give the potatoes. Potatoes are the, India's, you can find it in any curries. I'll take boiled potatoes like this, peel them off really neatly. Before that, I will give a spoonful of salt. Why? Because the potatoes will suck the salt from the curry. So before this, I'll just put the salt. If I put it before, then the chicken would be much more salty. We don't want that. Just before putting the potato, I'll put the salt. After this, I'll put the boiled potatoes and just cover them with the curry like this. Press them. Yes, it's almost done. It's boiling. And the potatoes will take the salt from the curry, and also it will bring a beautiful, nice taste to your curry. You can have it with rice, you can have it with parathas, also with pulaos, fried rice, normal rice. Let's taste a little bit. Yeah, the salt is perfect. The potatoes have, yes, just give a little bit of coriander with this, and then let it shimmer for just 2 to 3 minutes. Your curry is ready, friends. Let's enjoy the Indian style chicken curry. Have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel. If you like the food, subscribe and see lots more videos are coming to our channel, which is Kitchen of Chandrima. Have a nice day. Enjoy the Indian style chicken curry.